Mickey Thompson's.
A little unnecessary for this car.
Nice.
Yeah, that was my investment this year with the 2 back wheels.
Yeah, no, 100%. Locking up is one thing.
Yeah, no, you know, I mean, like I said.
Bring me back. No way, the Charger got the Challenger. It's all.
Yeah,
Right?
amazing.
That one, a drag setup, 17-inch.
Where'd you pick these up? Like, did you order them up or
I
is there?
ordered from the States.
Yeah, yeah.
And then a Mickey Thompson 305.
Those are an amazing
and a
setup.
skinny at the front.
Yeah. Oh, right.
So you want to run lightweight as much as you can, right?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you got your tires, dude. Dude. Holy.
That's a little unnecessary for me.
Mickey Thompson's.
A little unnecessary for this car.
Thank you.
305, 45,
You want another one?
R17.
You can almost do it without.
I'm better in the food. Yes.
They're tucked in real nice, eh?
Yeah, yeah, I was really worried that they were going to hit.
Yeah, yeah. That's cool. I like the
Even though it's a fatter tire and everything,
Yeah.
it sits at the exact same
Yeah.
where the old tire was. On the
Okay.
inside, right?
So where did you
The inside.
where did you buy it from?
The rims were off of. I can't remember. I can't remember where I got the rims. The actual place. The place in Ottawa.
Yeah,
They shipped them here.
yeah. Okay.
And then the Mickey Thompson's off.
T-Dot? Oh yeah. Yeah, seriously.
Actually, at first I forgot there was grease on there.
Yeah.
Some oil, some protect it.
Yeah.
You're supposed to burn them off. I fucking tried it. I'm like, holy fuck, why are they so good?
I'm hooking up good today.
What's the stats on that? Like, what is this a 17-inch tire?
Yeah, 17-inch rim,
Yeah.
305.
Yeah. And it fits?
Yeah.
Oh, 305s, eh?
Yeah. So that rim is actually made for Dodge cars.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Designed for it.
Yeah.
And the way so it sinks it in more, right? I was worried that it was going to come out and hit the fender, obviously.
How wide is the rim? Is it a 9-inch, 10-inch? 10-inch rim? That's crazy. So you can fit bigger.
The great thing about Ford Star is they actually make a matching one in 20-inch.
Oh, yeah,
So I
yeah.
will be getting that. I just wanted to make sure it's fit.
Okay, gotcha. So what are they called again?
Ford Stars.
Forged Stars.
Not too many brands of guys that are making racing rims out there
Yeah,
that
yeah.
will do like a 17 and a 20 that match.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
They just don't do that stuff.
Makes sense. So now the next question is,
Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, good.
is it aluminum? What's it made out of?
I would believe aluminum. They're pretty fucking light.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Forged Star, eh?
Wow. So I just put a remote kill switch on this.
Oh, so no one will steal it?
Yeah, so it's an automatic battery kill switch.
Yeah. I noticed you didn't put any tire shine either, buddy.
Hey, orange. Here.
Hey guys, what's going on? I like them.
I just put them on.
Oh, okay.
Where's your car right now? You say thank you? What kind do you want? Don't touch them all. What kind?
I didn't get the old-fashioned plain because they're lean.
You want the sparkle? You say thank you? Or the sprinkle? Oh, God.
Hey man, I think you got them on backwards, bro. Yeah. No, seriously.
Oh no, do I?
Yeah, yeah. It's this way.
Well, I really didn't pay attention.
Yeah, you gotta switch them.
That happened. We you took it on my car.
You just gotta switch them. Uh-oh,
that part out.
they're directional.
I wasn't even thinking about that when I slammed him on.
Hey Maloney, he's got his tires on backwards. He's got his tires on backwards.
You fucking do too. Oh, that's a pain in the ass. Like, I just put them on. He's got them on back directional.
They couldn't use the stock fucking lug nuts.
Okay, go back.
I wasn't thinking about that.
Do a 60-footer to this. Over here.
Backwards.
In reverse. You're like, I tried them out.
That's why I wasn't hooking earlier.
Yeah.
And there's the build list right there. That's pretty
Yeah, that's new this year. The wife, you know, her blood, sweat, and tears into that thing.
good. Yeah, 100%.
I did the welds this year on the back.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to be hooking
Oh, yeah. Oh, you
the welds on
really?
the back.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? Nice.
Yeah, that was my investment this year with the 2 back wheels.
Yeah. No, 100%. Locking up is one thing.
Yeah, no, you know, I mean, like I said, this is my family project, right?
Yeah.
My son gets involved, my wife gets involved, you know.
Demon injectors, I see, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, I was going to go to the 1050s and my wife said,
Yeah. No.
then I asked the guy who
Take
did
a
my
look.
build, and he's like, why do you want to throw fuel down? He said, you're 700. Like again, I'm pretty much max now, I think, power-wise for pump fuel, right?
Yeah.
So I'm pretty much maxed out.
That's not bad for 94. Oh, 94, I'm assuming? 94?
Yeah,
Okay.
I run the mixture 110.
Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah.
So I put the 110 in her today and shook her up because I'm
Okay,
gonna
yeah.
need that extra.
Yeah.
I think, but yeah, that's what I like about this. I did this. I come here last year.
Yeah.
And the arm drop, you don't know who you're gonna run.
Right.
You can go up against a Trackhawk. You can go.
Yeah.
And you know what? That's what makes it exciting, right? You lose, you lose. I'm here to have fun. That's it, right?
A lot of B Woody stuff.
Yeah, you know, I mean, for me, yeah, they've been really good to me, right?
Yeah.
They've been really good to me. They've never given me any hard times, you know, whatever. Anything I need, they send it.
Bring me back.